This is going to be a little lesson in how to use Google Analytics with your WordPress website. As an example, I'm going to use this website I have over here to put Google Analytics into it. Now I've already gone in and I went to add new and I typed in Google Analytics. So if I just go here and change this around a little bit, so I've got a good search. So I'm searching Google Analytics, and this is the one that I'm using. It's actually by Google. So I've already installed it and already activated it. So if I go to my plugins, I can see that Google Analytics is already in here. Now where is it? I had a bit of a hard time finding it, as it's down here and it's called Sitekit by Google, and it doesn't come in as Google Analytics, but this is the item here. So going back over to Google Analytics, we have I'm logged in now. You can see that there's me logged into my account, and if I go and I type in Google Analytics, you will most likely get a little screen saying, do you want to create a free account for Google Analytics? You're going to go ahead and say yes, you want to create your free account. And when you come in here, you start to see the whole dashboard for Google Analytics. What we're interested in up here is the all website data. So if I click on this, I end up in seeing all the websites that I'm currently doing things for. And what I want to do is I want to create a new one for this new site. Okay, to achieve this, what I want to do is I want to go down here to admin, and I click on admin, and now I've got the opportunity to create an account. So let's go in here and we'll create a new account, and I'll call this for one of my websites. And we will just accept the defaults. So you can see I have the ability of having 100 accounts, and I've already got obviously 33. We want to put in here just a name. And let's go to the country and the dollars. And we want to go next. We'll go small. What do we want to do with the business? Yeah, first one's okay. Yep. That's good, those two. Change this to New Zealand. And of course accept. And I've created the property. Cool. Now in this property, what we were interested in is the web side of it. So we go life, stream name, life, create stream. Cool. So we've created our stream. There's my ID. Now let's see if I've got all the right information. So this is my first time using this, so I might be a little bit slow in terms of getting to things, but here's the Sitekit up here. Now going back to analytics, this is my user that I have logged in with. And like I said previously, this is the stream ID. So back to my website. So sign in with Google. Sign in with Google. I use this account. And yep, we'll agree to that. Continue. Yeah, we are giving Google way too much access to stuff, but that's what we want to do. Cool. Congratulations, go to my dashboard. So it says it's connected. Okay. So it says that the Search Console is accepted. Connect service. We haven't connected this yet. Let's see what happens. Yep. Continue. So it already has some access. See, there's 5 services. That's all good. Continue. Now, here's the interesting thing. Is this number the same as the other number? So 263. Nope, it's a different number. Now, my setting up in analytics may or may not have been needed. I'm unsure. However, we now have this. So account is YWAM Life. Well, no, I think setting up YWAM Life previously in analytics was going to be important. And here it is with the correct account number. So let's go back and have a look in here and see what we can find. So setting ourselves up in Google Analytics first, I think, was important. This is a stream ID, but if I hop out of there and I go to all accounts and I see my YWAM Life and I see this number here, 263 is the end of it, and it's the same number as here. So this actually has been set up correctly. I think the order that I've done things has been important, so you want to make sure you do it in that same order. There's that other number, but it links directly to this detail. Cool. So remembering what we've set up is the web stream detail, so do be careful when you are at this point that when you add the stream that you do the web stream and not the iOS or the Android stream, though you will want those if you end up using an app as well. So that basically has got all this set up correctly. Now the trick, has it actually done the analytics into the website? If we have a look here and go in, that was Control U to get into here. Now we know this number. Where's the number? 89263. So let's see if we find an 89263. We're not finding an 89263. That doesn't particularly matter. Let's see if we find an analytics. So here's Google Analytics. Snippet added by these guys. So I think I got a little bit ahead of myself. So back here we've got the configure analytics, and we'll proceed. And again, choose my account and continue. It's connecting the service. Got it. So search engine is connected. Page insights connected. Nothing is available yet because we've not been here very long. So it's interesting, however, that it has picked up data that it knew about before it knew that this site was my Analytics site for the last 28 days. Cool. So this is impressions, I believe, inside the search when people have searched for stuff, that my website has come up this number of times. AdSense, well, we're not doing anything with AdSense yet, so I won't bother connecting that. Now, that number again, is that appearing on my page? So let's go have a look. Okay, so previously, when I'd set this up, we'd gone to this page, so I just refresh this. Now, if I do a Control U, and I look at the source code on this page, and I look for a site, and I look for my number, it appears. So this is exactly what we're looking for. So now, my Google Analytics number is appearing on this page. There's a whole lot of rubbish in here. Well, not rubbish, but code. And so this is really good. We wanted to see this, and we do. So I think we can successfully say that Google Analytics has been set up on this WordPress website. We've set up the Search Console, which is something else we might talk about later. We've set up the page speed insights, and we've set up the analytics. Basically, there are 4 things we had to do. But the first thing we did is we did go into our analytics account directly, and we created our property. So go ahead and have a play with this plugin. If you have any questions, you know how to get hold of me.